Hey people, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule power on or off settings on Android. For the settings, go for your settings app. Then scroll down at the bottom of this list. Then go for scheduled power on or off setting. Then you can set power on scheduling from here. You can set time from here and just go for OK. Then you can set this dates or day from here with your choices and go for OK. And again you can set power off and you can also set this time and dates from here. So yeah, that's how you can schedule power on or off settings on Android. If you found this video helpful guys, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.